So, you want to know how well it's going to perform after doing all the upgrades and with the old ancient software on there? And is it going to be improved with an SSD? Well, I haven't done the SSD yet. That'll be another video. But I do have video of how this is running. And although it's slow, it seems to be working. Let's take a look together. Note, it is a 5-6 minute video, so have patience. So to answer some questions, it is done. Windows 10 is complete. So let's see how long it's going to take to boot up. It's going to take a while. It's not the fastest thing in the world. It's only got 2 gigs of RAM in it. Of course, the hard drive that's in it is 17 years old. But we'll see what it does. I did test it earlier. It looks like all the programs that are on there do open, much to my surprise. That's why I said this is going to be a long one. I hope you have patience. Fade to black. Yep, mouse is there. Just making sure. Nothing like recording a video on the computer does stupid things. Login screen. We're at the 1 minute mark. So far, it's going. Now, I remember someone asking, would putting an SSD in here would be any benefit? I really don't know, other than taking the 17-year-old hard drive out and putting a new one in. Because I'm sure it's a Gen 1, Gen 2 SATA connector, so it doesn't have the speed of a modern SATA connector. But the fact that it's on a new drive with less chance of data loss. All right. Desktop is almost loaded. We're coming up on 2 minutes. There's the 2 minute mark. So as old as it is, with an old hard drive and only 2 gigs of RAM, 2 minutes, not too bad. There's things loading up in the corner. There's the toolbar. I think his battery needs to be replaced too. There's the desktop. Now you just got to wait the icons to load in. And if you're paying attention, that's your hard drive light there, and you see it's constantly on. No blink, no flash. So, and yes, that is correct. It does have an Ethernet port, but I do have the wireless turned on also. 3 minutes. I would say 3 minutes was the boot up time. So, let's open up one of these ancient programs. It'll think about it. I know I opened it earlier and it loaded, so probably there it goes. Looky there. A Windows XP program working in Windows 10. Now, how fully functional it is, I have no idea, because I don't know how to use the software. Get that one to close. Yeah, if you're looking for speed and performance, you're not going to get it out of this one. Maybe after the change out, maybe I can get a little bit better performance for there, but I'm going to cancel that. Close that. And then, what was the other one we look? Oh, Word Turner Pro. So maybe it does connect to a lathe of some sort. And that's the reason why he was insistent on doing this. It appears to be running now. If it does connect to a lathe, I don't know if it will actually communicate. We'll have to see. And then 3D Design Pro. And we're coming up on 5 minutes, so I'm going to have to probably cut this off here after this one. Yes, allow and make changes. There you go. Every program I've opened so far are from the days of 2004. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll have to look at that, why that's turned off. Let's maximize it and see what it does. Again, I have no idea. It's talking about the left edge of window is the center of the lathe. Okay, so maybe it does connect to a machine and I'm just unaware of it. So, but yeah, interesting. So yeah, all the ancient programs seems to be working on Windows 10. There's your, like I said, I like a challenge. And so far it's successful until they actually put it in production. I have no idea. So there you go. So yeah, I'm going to change out that hard drive to an SSD just to see if I can get a speed bonus out of it. I won't know until I actually do it. But yeah, it works. I've done my job. Now I just got to clone out a hard drive, probably make it a little bit bigger so it has a little bit more room to breathe. As for upgrading the RAM, I don't know if I can or not. I don't have any in stock. I've looked, so I might have to order it. So anyways, happy Saturday the 14th, you all. Bye-bye.